Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio on Wix. First, head over to wix.com and either sign up for new account or login. Once you're in, you'll want to choose a template that truly reflects your professional style. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so take your time to find one that perfectly suits your creative vision. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone for your online presence. Now, let's get to the heart of your portfolio, your work. Click on the Add button to upload your best projects. You can include up to 500 images or videos per gallery, ensuring you have ample space. Make sure your visuals are high resolution and captivating. For each project, craft a concise yet engaging description, highlighting your role and the project's impact. This helps visitors understand your creative process and contributions. Personalizing your portfolio is key to making it uniquely yours. Wix provides extensive design tools, allowing you to change fonts, colors, and layouts with ease. You can choose from over 100 font styles and a full color palette. Don't forget to add an About Me section, sharing your professional journey and passions. Also, include clear contact information, perhaps a contact form, or links to your professional social media, making it simple for potential clients to reach out. You're almost there. Before hitting publish, take a moment to thoroughly review every page of your portfolio. Check for any typos or broken links. Consider upgrading to a premium plan to connect a custom domain like yourname.com, which adds a professional polish. Once published, share your stunning new portfolio across all your professional networks, including LinkedIn and Behance, to maximize its visibility and attract new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.